birthday. But
What's
with one of the highest customer service indexes, Gwinnett Place Nissan has been the #1 Nissan dealer in the state 7 years running.
All local drive the buyers in Gwinnett Place Nissan.
But 4 days and 4 days only, 500 new Nissans marked with reduced.
Boo. 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 What you doing? Hmm? What you doing? Huh? What you doing?